Module 2. Basic Occupational Safety. Occupational safety refers to the rules, procedures, and precautions used to prevent accidents, injuries, and damage in the workplace. A security officer has a responsibility to maintain a safe environment for employees, visitors, customers, and members of the public. Safety is not only the responsibility of management. Every security officer must actively identify and report hazards. A hazard is anything that can cause injury, illness, damage to property, or loss of life. Examples include wet floors, exposed electrical wires, damaged equipment, blocked emergency exits, poor lighting, and unsafe working conditions. One of the primary duties of a security officer is to remain alert and observe the surroundings. If a hazard is identified, it must be reported immediately to the appropriate supervisor or responsible person. Security officers should never ignore unsafe conditions. A small hazard can quickly develop into a serious incident if not addressed promptly. Good occupational safety also requires the correct use of equipment. Security officers must use equipment according to company procedures and should never operate equipment for which they have not received training. Emergency exits, firefighting equipment, and evacuation routes should always remain clear and accessible. In an emergency, these facilities may save lives. Personal protective equipment, commonly known as PPE, may be required in certain workplaces. This may include safety helmets, reflective vests, gloves, safety boots, or eye protection. PPE helps reduce the risk of injury while performing duties. Security officers should also practice safe lifting techniques. Heavy objects should be lifted correctly to avoid back injuries and physical strain. Accidents must always be reported according to company procedures. Accurate reporting helps prevent similar incidents from happening again. Remember, occupational safety is everyone's responsibility. By identifying hazards, following safety procedures, and reporting unsafe conditions, security officers help create a safer workplace for all. A professional security officer is always safety conscious, observant, and committed to protecting people and property from harm.